Hey folks, a couple days ago we made a video showing you how to unwrap this out of the box. This is a bumper from Paint and Ship. They're from Houston, Texas. We just got it put on. We took it out of the box as you saw in the earlier video. Now we've got it on the car. Now, something I want to point out. This car, folks, by no means is this a new car. This car will be 20 years old next year, and it deserved a nice rear bumper. The last one we had was all scratched up, had chunks missing out of it. This car's got over 240,000 miles on it. Still a good car. So, it deserved a good bumper. This bumper we ordered from Paint and Ship. What you want to do is give them your paint code, have them plug it in, make sure it's the right code for the color that you need. We took this out of the box and we let it sit in the sun for a couple of days. It went back to its natural form after being folded like this. Here's the aftermath. This is what it looks like. Look at the color matching here. You can't even tell. It looks perfect to me. Like I said, this will be a 20-year-old car here next year. We're very pleased with how this turned out. We'll definitely be dealing with Paint and Ship in the future. Great company to deal with. They will return your call. They will answer you via email or phone call when need be. If you've got any questions, comments, leave me something on YouTube. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.